Ooh, there's a nice fish. That was fun. I hope that showed up on the GoPro.
Alright guys, my name's Ryan and I'm going fishing. Here's what we got today. It's Thursday. I took a half a day. There's been so many fishermen up north. I just decided to take half a day and see if I can get to some open water without much pressure. So I'm here today. It's overcast and I'll tell you it's 44 degrees after having 77 or 75 degrees. This feels really cold. So hopefully I'm dressed appropriately today. And man, I got my fingers crossed, God willing, for a steelhead or two today. That would be great. I've done 1 for 5 on steelhead this year, so not great. So I'd like a few more opportunities and hopefully catch some trout as well. So with all the pressure that there's been on the stream, I really don't know what to expect. I know I say that every time if you're watching a video, but that's just the game, right? You really don't know, but you kind of have your fingers crossed. So let's go see what happens.
All right, so we're in the water. Starting off with the crankbait today. Here's something that's interesting is I completely apparently came unprepared in my rush to leave the house today. I'm using a head strap for my camera instead of a chest strap, and I prefer a chest strap when I'm trout fishing. And I did not bring my raincoat, which means later today there's a 35% chance of rain for a couple of hours. Well, now you know that's a 100% chance of rain since I didn't bring my raincoat. So we'll see what that means, but here we go. Oh, ignored it that time. Come on, eat. Eat it. Ooh, he nipped at it. Alright, they dropped back into the timber, so we're going to give them just a second. Where you boys at? There you are, right there. Oh, he was on it. Why didn't you eat it? Well, I was casting over here and walking, and I pulled out a huge steelhead chasing my lure, and I spooked it because I was walking, so it never ate. Golly. Okay, that's 2 steelhead I've seen. First fish of the day. Not a steelhead, but a brown. I'll take it. Catch these guys all day long. Thank you, buddy. There we go. See ya. Thank you. There's a fish. There we go. Another nice brown trout. Stepping up in size and class. Come on, buddy. There we go. Number 2. See you, bud. Thank you. There's a fish. Nice fish too. That's got some weight to it. What do we got here? Oh, that's a dandy brown. That's what that was. There's one. Of course, I didn't have my GoPro going. There's one landed. Better fish. Thank you. There we go. Ooh, there's a nice fish. That was fun. I hope that showed up on the GoPro. Yep, that's a great brown trout right there. Oh, that's a dandy. Big brown, big brown. I'll take the net for this one. Come here, buddy. Look at you. Wow. Wow, that's a heck of a fish. Let's go over here. And land this guy. Wow, that's a pig right there. That's a real big fish. I hear you, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. I know it. I know it. I'll let you go. Man, you got some teeth on you. There we go. Look at that guy. Wow. Big trout. Probably about 19, 20 incher for sure. Yes, sir. There he goes. Thank you. Sitting right there. Thank you. Best fish of the day. That was weird. So I threw over on that log and my spinner went on the other side and I was able to just roll it into the water, and when it just rolled into the water, he must have been tucked right up underneath it and he just grabbed it. I got to see it. Hopefully it shows up on the GoPro. That was way cool. Awesome. I was hopeful there. Oh, there's a fish. Thanks, buddy. Says, I'm not a steelhead, but I'll throw you a bone. little brown trout. See you, bud. Thank you. There's a fish. Wow. Hey, he's mad. Look at him go. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Pretty fish. Not sure where my camera's pointed at, so hopefully I got him. All right, last cast. Let's go home. All right, we made it back. It is freaking cold. And as I knew for sure, because I didn't bring my rain gear, I got rained on, so I'm a little damp too. That's not helping any, but fishing was still tough, even in the middle of the week. I didn't see any other fishermen. I saw that one bed with some steelhead on, a female on it, males below it. I played with them for a little bit, couldn't get them to commit. I did turn one, but I caught one really nice trout today, so I'm happy with that. You know, beggars can't be choosers, and this is the time of year when this particular river, excuse me, this particular river gets beat up, and yeah, so you take what you can get, and I caught a really nice one today, so I'm pleased with that. So thank you for coming along. I am going to hit one more place on the way home, and if my logo comes up right now, I didn't catch a thing. If not, here's some more footage. See you next time, just in case.